On with our next segment, making the matzo balls for the soup. Another easy process. Got our packet of matzo ball mix. And my scissors. Now I might add that I washed all those scissors from using them for the chicken. Those are my kitchen scissors. Ready to go. Gonna add 2 eggs, which I've got in a bowl already. And we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of oil, but I cheat a little bit. I use 1 full tablespoon of oil. Put that in. Then I take about almost a half, not quite, of another. And then here's a really good trick that I do. Go over to the soup and take about another half of the actual soup stock. And boy, does that ever add to the flavor of the matzo balls themselves. Let me just stir those up. Get them all in. I like to stir them up a lot. Get that mix in there. Then, as with any batter, once you get it going and all incorporated together, you've got to let it do its thing. We've got them all stirred up. All we have to do is put it in the fridge and let it sit for 15 minutes, and we'll be on with the next segment.